Hey guys, what's up? It's me Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to learn another song to play on the ukulele. But before we start, let's have a quick shout out to these people. So shout out to Madzine Velasquez, Justini Concepcion, Estela Ocampo, Kia May Sanayan, Christy Arsena, Hannah Shika, Joyce Orsalum, Simon Bernal, Sophia Ray Maluzong, and lastly, shout out to Julienne Formelosa. Again, thank you so much guys. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to use my TUC230 ukulele from Tom Music. So if you're interested in this instrument, then I will leave the product description and the purchase link on the description box below. So without further ado, grab your ukulele because today we're going to learn Heather X Ice Blue by Fran Vasilić. Ice blue or brown, can't remember, a lot of time has passed since 3rd of December. Ice green or gray, can't remember, but I bet you know the color of heather's getting gold. But I have my own sweat, fuck your polyester, these gardens were better you. So this song is kind of popular on TikTok and a lot of you guys have been requesting me to teach this song. So for today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you this song in two different ways. So without the ukulele capo, which is this one, this small clip, which we're going to clip it on the fretboard, and the without the capo. So if you don't have a capo, then still you can play the song, but we're going to use a different set of chords. Now, the first thing I'm gonna teach you is the without capo chords. So we only have 3 chords for this song. So we have C minor 7, F, and B flat. So C minor 7 looks like this one. So you're going to bar the entire 3rd fret using your index finger or your middle finger, it depends upon you. But the important thing is that you need to bar the entire 3rd fret. So it sounds like this one. And okay, and the next chord is the chord of F. So we have this one, 1 and 2. Okay, and lastly we have the chord of B flat. So this chord is a little bit hard, but you need to practice. So first thing that you're gonna do is you need to bar this first 2 strings right here, this one on the 1st fret, and put your middle finger here and 4th finger on the G string 3rd fret. Okay, so this is B flat. Again, we have C minor 7, F, and B flat. Now for the strumming pattern of the song, it should sound like this one. Down, tap, 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 down, tap. Eyes blue or brown, can't remember, a lot of time has passed since 3rd of December. Ice green or gray, can't remember, but I bet you know the color of heathers. Now for the verse, you're going to do the same thing to what we did with the first part of the song, which is the chorus. So you need to do this. Down, tap, down, tap, down, tap, down, tap. Okay? C minor 7, tap, and then F, and then tap, and then B flat, tap, B flat, tap. Getting cold, but I have my own sweater. Fuck your polyester, 'cause gardens way better you were. Playing Jack and Rose when you sunk, only you froze 'cause you gave her your sweater. You were lost in Atlantic, trying not to panic, but now it's too late to come back. I moved on and I'm better, no my worth I'm heather, not taking for granted. And then you're going to repeat the chorus again with the same thing. Eyes blue or brown, can't remember, a lot of time has passed since 3rd of December. Eyes green or gray, can't remember, but I bet you know the color of heathers. Now we're already done with the without capo version. Now this time we're going to use our ukulele capo and we're going to clip it on the 3rd fret of our instrument. just like this one. And the chords that we're going to use are much easier than the other one. So we're going to use A minor, D, and G. So as we all know, these chords are pretty basic, and these are the chords that you really need to know when you're starting to learn the ukulele. Now, again, A minor looks like this one. So you're going to put your index finger on the G string 2nd fret. So since we already clip our capo here on the 3rd fret, so which means that the fret that is right below the clip part, that will be your 1st fret, followed by the 2nd fret, and so on. So again, A minor is G string 2nd fret, so you're going to put your index finger here. Okay, so that's A minor. And we also have the chord of D, so what you're going to do is you need to put your index finger, middle finger, and your 4th finger on the G, C, E string on the 2nd fret. Okay, so this is the D chord. And lastly, we have the chord of G. So it's like a V-shaped chord. So 1, 2, and 3. So again, we have A minor, D, and G. Now, for the with capo version, the strumming pattern is still the same. It's down, tap, down, tap, down, tap, down, tap. Okay? Eyes blue or brown, can't remember, a lot of time has passed since 3rd of December. Eyes green or gray, can't remember, but I bet you know the color of heather's getting cold, but I have my own sweater. Fuck your polyester, this garden's way better. You were playing Jack and Rose when you sunk only your first, cause you gave her your sweater. You were lost in Atlantic, trying not to panic, and now it's too late to come back. I moved on and I'm better, know my worth and better, not taken for granted. Eyes blue or brown, can't remember, a lot of time has passed since 3rd of December. Eyes green or gray, can't remember, but I bet you know the color of heather. So that's it for our tutorial today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below the titles of the songs that you want me to teach on this channel. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!